Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can summarize any book using ChatGPT. So first step you need to do is to open ChatGPT and write here summarize rich dad poor dad for me, or you can write give me summary. Give me summary of rich dad poor dad. Remove this and hit enter. And now you can see that it will give you a complete book summary of rich dad poor dad. But let's suppose if you are not happy with this, you can add another prompt. Give me key takeaways from rich dad poor dad. And now it will give you the key takeaways in the form of the points that you can read. And here you can see that now it is writing. So I asked for the key takeaways, and here you can see that it is continuously giving me the key takeaways. So now you can see that I have 10 key takeaways, and this is the summary, but I like this one. So this is the process how you can summarize any book using ChatGPT. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.